strung up by his web! I want Spider-Man!
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Yes, yes, I know. It's been like 3 months. I, I, I don't know, man. It's been so long that I uploaded a video and because of school, but it's fine because your boy's back and we should be good. But anyways, in today's video, I will be explaining how to use the wonderful app Document. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so as you can see, let's just click on Documents. Um, Documents have multiple uses. It has, obviously, at the bottom, My Files, Recent, VPN, and Browser. And in today's video, I'll be going over each one of them. So, let's get into it. So, My Files, it's basically a more type of storage for iPhones and Androids, or any phone. So you see what it says photo albums. I'm not clicking on it because I don't know what's on my photo albums, but it will show everything that's on your camera or on your phone, and basically it will save everything on this app. So let's just say, for example, you delete a picture because I don't know, you didn't like it, or Godzilla was in it and he was stuck on you. I don't know. And basically, you just delete it and you want it back. Well, obviously, Apple has the feature of recently adding it, but you get the gist. Basically, if you delete a photo, this app will always have it no matter what. So basically, delete a photo is going to be in the photo albums. Boom. It's basically like a more advanced storage of your photos. So that's basically what the My Files do. Recent, I will get into that later because yeah, it's complicated. And then we have VPN. Now, if you don't know what a VPN is, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you go to any strict parent's child, they would immediately know this. A VPN is a basically a private I can't speak, a private network that basically you can only access, that no one can check. You know how, for example, for Safari, when you look up something, it's always going to be there. If you use a VPN, it won't be there. It's your private browser, and you can only see it, which is why many people get VPN. So this app offers a VPN, which goes to the browser over here. Now, don't worry, I was trying to figure this out. So you see how I say recently visited soccer? Yeah, that's because I ain't had a VPN. But it's basically like a private browser, which if I activate the VPN now, give me a second, you just click on start, boom. Oh, by the way, you have 50 megabytes. And if you spend money to upgrade it, which is, oh no, it's like $8 to upgrade. If you spend money to get a VPN, you're mad, fam. You're real mad. But you get 50 megabytes every day, which I don't think a human being would use this for the whole day. But if you do, hey, I won't judge you. But um, yeah, as you can see, it'll just turn on and basically it'll pop up on the phone VPN. And basically, you just go to browser and you could just search up anything. Um, you can look up um, pinecone, and that's not how you spell pinecone. Anyways, as you can see, yeah, basically you can just search up something and you'll get away with it. It's fine. Honestly, I recommend it. VPNs are really strong, especially on this app. Documents offer many things, especially with more access or more storage, and you can also have more privacy. So the last thing they offer is your files, which okay, sorry about that, but as you can see, I was using the VPN fully like for 20 seconds and it's already at 2020.8. So yeah, it goes away real fast. So make sure you're not on a suspicious website, you kids that I know that you go to that anyone can see after literally like 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure this lasts for 5 minutes, so use it wisely. Anyways, so as you can see, recent it has a video. So when I downloaded it, which if you click on this, the magnifier over here, it will take you to your downloads and it will transfer over to your recents. Now with this, you can upload email. You can basically get little clips of whatever you want, which most people use for like Twitch, or this is what Twitch streamers use whenever they need to get a clip from their stream and they want to post it somewhere. So this app is real good at that. If y'all need a tutorial on how to do that, I will gladly do it. But yeah, as you sell, that's the recent. Then you can save it to your camera roll, and then you can do whatever you want with the clip. So overall, documents offer a lot of things that's really helpful, and it's an app I would recommend if you want private information or you just need storage or you just need to transfer files to your phone. So 10 out of 10 app, recommend it. I hope y'all enjoy seeing the pine cone for like 10 seconds. And yeah, that's really all I have to offer. If you have any questions about the app, let me know. Put it in the comments below, and I will try to answer it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in another 6 months.